We know that we study the Byers and Savart law and their applications, and the force exerted on the moving charge when placed in a electromagnetic field or moving in a electromagnetic field. And when we also study that a current carrying conductor of length L, it is kept in a electromagnetic field when the force exerted is F equal to ILB sin theta. And the force exerted on the charge is F equal to QVB sin theta. That is about the Byers and Savart. The another law is that is the Laplace laws. By using the Laplace law to find the magnetic induction. That is the Laplace law. If the line integral, the statement is that the line integral of magnitude line integral of magnitude of magnetic induction. Laplace law. That is the statement of the Laplace law is that the line integral of magnitude of magnetic induction over a closed path in air or vacuum is equal to mu 0 times, that is the permeability times mu 0 will be the permeability of air medium, mu 0 times the total electric current enclosed by that path, enclosed by that closed. That is the statement of Byers law, the line integral of magnetic induction, magnitude of magnetic induction. Line integral of magnitude of magnetic induction over a closed path. Closed path means suppose that is a circular wire. That is not closed wire. That is a wire that is not closed here. A circular loop of wire is a closed wire. The line integral of over a closed path is equal to the mu 0 times the total electric current enclosed by that closed path. That is the statement of Laplace law. B equal to integration of closed integral. That is the symbol of integration. Closed integral of B dot dl equal to B dl equal to mu 0 times the electric current. That is the mathematical form. That is the mathematical form of the Laplace. That is the amperes. That is the amperes circuital. That is a statement of Ampere's circuit law. That is the line integral of magnitude of magnetic induction over a closed path in air or vacuum is equal to the mu 0 times the total electric current enclosed by that closure. That is closed integral of B dot dl equal to mu 0. The proof of Ampere's circuit law is that is the statement of Ampere's circuit law. That is a state conductor carrying a current I. That current I, it produces the magnetic field in its surrounding space. The magnetic field around the current carrying conductor is represented by the concentric circles. We have to consider one of such a concentric circle of radius r with the radius of radius r, a state conductor of length here. We know that is, we consider a concentric circle, one of such concentric circles. Let P be the point on that concentric circle, that is the magnitude of magnetic induction at point P due to the long state conductor at a distance r is mu 0 I upon 2 pi. Mu 0 I upon 2 r. Mu 0 I upon 2 pi. That is the magnetic induction at a point due to the long straight conductor carrying a current. That is B equal to mu 0 upon 2 pi. Today we study about the Ampere's circuit law. By using the Ampere's circuit law, we find the magnetic induction at a point due to the long state conductor and due to the solenoid and the toroid. That is the statement of Ampere's circuit law. The statement of the Ampere's circuit law is that the line integral of a magnetic field over a closed path of any shape in air or vacuum is equal to the mu 0 times mu 0, that is the permeability of air medium or vacuum. Permeability times the electric current enclosed by that closure path. That is the mathematical form of Ampere's circuit law is that integration, that is a closed integration, that is B vector B dot dl. Dl, it is a small segment of the current loop, small segment of the current loop. That is integration of B dot dl is equal to mu 0 I, permeability times the electric current. That is the mathematical form of the Ampere's circuit law. That is, we consider a state conductor carrying a current I. That is, we know that current in the conductor, they will produce the magnetic field in its surrounding space. The magnetic field around the conductor is in a concentric circle like this. The magnetic electric current in the conductor, they will set up the magnetic field, and that magnetic field is represented by the magnetic lines of force. That magnetic lines of force are curved. We have to consider one of such magnetic lines of force. They are in loop, they are in circle. We do that is the direction of magnetic induction. We take the point P in the magnetic lines of force. We take the point P on the magnetic lines of force. That point P is at a distance r from the straight conductor. We find the magnetic induction at that is B equal to B integration of B dl. We know that total length of the circular loop is said here. That total length is divided into the number of small elements as dl, dl, dl. That is a magnetic lines of force that represented in circles. The total length of the current loop is L, and if that total length L is divided into the number of small elements, each of length dl, say as dl. The total length of the circle is divided into the number of small elements dl like this. The magnetic field on all this circle is same because is at same distance from the conductor. We consider the point P at a distance r from the state conductor. The direction of magnetic field at point P is tangent to the circle. That is B dot dl, where dl is in the direction of magnetic induction. That is vector B is equal to B dl. The closed integral B dot dl. The line integral of closed path. The integration of B dot dl is equal to B dl. That's equal to the B into the line integral of magnetic induction B dot dl equal to mu 0. That the Ampere circular law is used to obtain the magnetic induction at a point due to the long straight conductor. That is, consider a long straight conductor carrying a current I in upward direction. That is first of the application of Barnes-Starr's law. The current in the conductor, they will set up the electric current around the conductor, and that magnetic field around the current carrying conductor is represented by the circles. We have to consider one of such a closed circle, that is the magnetic lines of force around the current carrying conductor. That we take a point P on the circle, let R be the distance of the point P from the conductor. We know that the magnetic induction over that circle is same because each and every point on this magnetic lines of force is same from the current R. Total length of the circle is said here, and it is divided into the number of small elements, that is a dl. Length dl, each of length dl. Magnetic induction is parallel to the tangent to the circle, and the dl is also tangent to the circle. That is B equal to integration of B dot dl closed integral is equal to integration of, we have to write that equation in terms of magnitude B dl cos theta, B dl cos of theta. The theta is the angle between the vector dl and the magnetic induction. That we know that angle between and the dl and vector b are in same direction, theta is equal to 0 and value of cos 0 is 1. Therefore, integration of b dl or b dot dl equal to, that is magnetic induction is constant throughout the circle, so that it is taken as it outside the integration. Therefore, in integration of dl, that is a small element. dl says dl integration of dl is the total length of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. So that closed integral b dot dl equal to b. Instead of integration of dl, we can write 2 pi. We have to apply the Ampere's circuital law to this figure. That is, according to the Ampere's circuital law, the integration of b dot dl equal to mu 0 I. Say that is our equation 1, that is our equation 2. That is comparing both the equation 1 and 2, their left hand sides are equal. Therefore, b into 2 pi r is equal to mu 0 I. That is, b is equal to mu 0 I upon 2 pi r. That is the first application of the Ampere's circuital law. By using the Ampere's circuital law, we have to prove. By using the Ampere's circuital law, we have to find the magnetic induction at a point due to the long straight conductor carrying a current I. That is the expression. The second application of Ampere's circuital law is that